Once again, welcome to Bromark Farms. We're here with Ace, the rabbit farmer. Say hello, Ace.
Hey.
Yeah, we're checking out his rabbits. Mama's got a rabbit holding right there. And this appears to be the favorite one right here. Oh, you can't see him with all that jacket that's blended in. Look at him, he's got two noses. He looks like Ace. Yeah. What do you think, Ace? Huh?
So pretty sweet.
Who's the daddy, Ace, of the rabbits? Who's the daddy?
Say Sammy.
Sammy.
Sammy's the daddy. Yeah. Yeah. Ace brought old Sammy over here one day, and we decided to have babies, and he wanted to raise rabbits. So how many rabbits you got now?
6.
You have 6 rabbits? You have 6 here. How many you got at your house?
2.
2. So 6 and 2 is what? You don't know?
6, 7.
How many fingers you got?
10.
10. Boy, okay.
If you cut 2 of those off, how many would you have?
Oh, you'd have 2 hurt hands. Yeah,
9.
No, that would be 1.
that's good. That's a good guess, Amen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, okay. We'll have to edit this one, won't we? Huh? That's good stuff in there, huh? What do you think about them?
Good.
Huh? Okay. Okay. Hold that right there, and go ahead and tell the people what you think about it.
Good.
Okay. Just tell them what you think about the rabbits.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Tell him you got a new rabbit house.
Okay.
Tell them about your rabbit house. Tell them you sold a kayak to buy a rabbit house.
You did. Mm-hmm.
Mom, get my phone and take a picture of that one.
Look at him, man.
These 2 are my favorite.
It's
Hey,
in her back
Boss.
pocket. Pretty.
Tell them what you think about the
I
rabbits.
think the little brown ones are
They
Good.
are.
What
do the
is
brown
that?
spots come from?
This is water.
something in
The jeans.
jeans,
Hi.
yeah. Because, like, look at that other bunch. There's black and gray
Gray.
and white.
That gray one is so
Pretty.
pretty.
That looks like coffee.
Lila's.
What? You should tell her she should get Sherry over here and take pictures of her for Easter. Take pictures of them with them.
With their bunnies.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's me.
With you.
No, it's Dylan and Joe.
Take a picture of me with it.
Okay.
He
You
blends
through?
in. He blends
He
in.
does. He looks
Okay.
just like your jacket.
Well, once again, we want to thank you for showing up here at Bromark Farms. We've got Ace here and got his mama here, and we got all his rabbits here. He'll be able to take one home in 2 weeks. Then, well, the others they're going to freezer camp. So, but the others they won't even know about it. Okay, and once again, there's Cindy, and say hello, Cindy, to the people.
Hello.
Okay, very good. Okay, well, Ace, I'm glad you come over. You gonna come back over again? Okay, all right, and we'll come over and see your rabbits. Okay. All right. Okay. Give us a
Ghosts.
give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and tell us what you think about it. And like always, read the Bible and be sensitive to the Spirit, and be obedient to the Lord. Amen. See you in the next video. Okay.